the next battle that we have is a personal battle. The battle against the flesh. Ito yung mga silent battles that we have to overcome. These are battles na minsan ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. We must fight the flesh, making our desires submit to God. Dahil one day, once again, ito pong body na meron tayo, iiwan natin. Kaya ngayon pa lang, iwan mo na yung mga bagay na gusto ng laman. Make your body submit to God because that body belongs to God. That's the shield that we have. Na binigay ng Panginoon. And we really have to take care of it. But somehow along the way, this body has these sinful desires. Because it's made like that. Diba binigay sa atin ng Panginoon yung fruit of the Holy Spirit? Anong kailangan doon? Self-control. Ang laman, maraming gusto. Diba? Ang laman, nagugutom. Kaya pag meron kang gustong hingin sa Panginoon, anong ginagawa mo? You fast. You make your body submit to God. You can win this with the help of the Holy Spirit. Ano pong sabi sa verse 16? So I say walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. Kailangan kapatid, ikaw ay malalim sa salita ng Panginoon. Dahil pag araw-araw kang kumakain ng salita ng Panginoon, pinalalakas mo yung banal na Espiritu sa iyo. At pag ang banal na Espiritu malakas sa iyo, yung body mo mag-o-obey. Kumbaga, you are being reinforced by the Holy Spirit with a stronger will na gawin mo yung tama. Na hindi ka mag-give in sa temptation. That's why we have to ask the Holy Spirit.